Hello everyone, welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Tuesday, April 23rd, 2024. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. We want to get our YouTube subscribers caught up with our newsletter subscribers who receive reports every day and sometimes more than once a day. But let's get on with it without further ado. We haven't looked at gold in a while. Here is the daily chart of gold. You can see we had a trigger here and targets. Now we've got another trigger. We had a direct hit down here with wave 4. Okay, so we've got 1 of 5 up here at 2081.82. 2 of 5 down here at 1810. Okay, and now we're in 3 of 5, and you can see, let's move this a little bit here. That should be right in there. Okay, so we're looking for wave 3 of 5 targets to the upside. There are our targets right there. Let me put a little space in here so this is more accurate. There we go. Okay, past the 1.0. Just went past the 1.272, which was 2405.70. It hit 2431.78 on the 12th of April. There's our higher Fibonacci targets up there. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. We've got 1 of 5 up, 2 of 5 down. We're in 3 of 5 up. Okay, obviously after wave 3 up, we'll get a 4 down, then a 5 of 5, which will be higher targets than here. So our trigger's been activated. There's our target. Trigger was activated. There's our target. We had another trigger to the downside and target down here. So that's the gold market. Let's get into the U.S. 10-year if we can. Let me see if I can find that here. Make that a big screen, a little crowded here. Let's see if we can fix this up a little bit. Here we go. Let's move that over. Move that over. That might be good enough there. Bear with me while I get this thing sized up here. Okay, we had a trigger on this wave 3 right here for that wave 5 target, which was a direct hit within 2/100ths of a point. Our percentage point, okay, that was wave 1 up. There was wave 2 down from the October, there it is, 2022 high. Okay, so we got a 1 up, we've got a 2 down. And within wave 3, we've got a 1 up, a 2 down in parentheses. There's our wave 3 targets. Let me fix this a little bit here. We had to resize this to a full screen. There's where 3 equals 1 there. That's close enough. Okay, so 1 up in parentheses in black, 2 down, and there's the wave 3 targets. You can see it went past the 1.0, past the 1.618. It's between the 1.618 and the 2.618, which is our next upside trigger for wave 3. As you see right here, we have another trigger up here, which is that, there we go, that wave 1 high of 5.021. We've got a target of 5.551 at that degree of trend, which is primary, and then we've got the cycle degree, I believe it is, yeah, the Roman numerals of 7.255. So we're still in wave 3 at this degree of trend, which is intermediate with the parentheses around it. There is the 2.618 target at 4.897. I remember the beginning of the year in January, February, everyone on TV is talking about 6 rate cuts. Then the excuse me, CPI numbers came out and they're talking about 3 rate cuts. All along we've been saying this was the end of a 39-year bear market and interest rates going way back to 2020 low, and we should get 39 years of up. All right, this is wave 1 up, and this is wave 2 down. We got 3, 4, and 5. We should see at least 7%, if not more, back into the teens and higher from the 1979 or 1980 high in interest rates. The 39-year bear market ended in March of 2020, and here we are. We're 4 years into the bull market, and rates aren't coming down, they're going up. We're in a third wave. So higher for longer, as they said, right? That's what we expect. We'll see how they manipulate this or explain it away in on TV, but we usually keep the sound down on those things and just watch the numbers. Okay, that's it for the US 10-year. Let's get into the E-minis. I want to look at the hourly chart here. We'll put this in full screen mode and let that go away. Okay, you can see so far the all-time high is March 31st high of 53.33.5. Okay, we started getting downside triggers and they started being activated. First time since October of last year, over 6 months ago. Anyway, you can see the 786 retraces here to shake out the shorts and all their stops before they take it down. Shake out the shorts up here, take it down. Shake out the shorts up here with 786, take it down. Shake out the shorts up here with this 786 and take it down. Okay, you can see this is kind of transparent, but I'll move it over so you can see the waves there. So we hit within 11 points. I don't know, that's a little bit of a stretch for a direct hit, but that was our wave 3 down target, which was near a 3.618 multiple. It passed the 1.618 and the 2.618. You can see here. Okay, that was a direct hit there. That was a direct hit there. That was a near direct hit. It's a little bit of a stretch, but anyway, we're looking at wave 4 up here, and there's our targets: 50.95, 51.36, and 51.76. This wave 4 up should hold below this wave 1 low of 52.35. That's where this wave count is wrong. 4 up should not go above the wave 1 low. We'll see where this goes. That's the 382, the 50, and the 618 retrace targets. And then once 4 up is down, we should see, once wave 4 up is over, we should see wave 5 down to below the wave 3 low target. Once this is complete, we'll get an exact target or multiples for that 5th wave down. Okay, I want to show you guys the latest report. I'll get another one out today, at least one, but this is yesterday's pre-market open. Okay, let's see what we have here. Here was our upside triggers. I think we had like 5 of them going back, let's see, all the way back to 3 days after the low last October. Okay, that one had 1148 plus point gain. You can see if you added a contract at each one of these triggers and targets, our customers are doing really well. As you can see, you can click on those testimonials there. But if you added one, and what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upside triggers, and the high was 53.33.50. That was a nice gain if you added one contract at every one of those trigger points. Okay, but since then we've had downside triggers. Okay, like I said, first time in 6 months since October. So you can see that trigger 1 was activated on April 4, trigger 2 was activated on April 10, trigger 3 was activated on April 17th. We'll get another one down here for the wave 5 target once the wave 3 low is surpassed to the downside. This is looking at wave 4 up, the hourly chart from what you saw on the trading view charts right there. There are the current triggers and the point gains and the profit per contract at $50 per contract on the E-mini futures, which is what we are analyzing. Okay, so far that's at 29.8. Okay, so there's the wave 4 targets. So far 50.58. You can see 50.95 is the 382, which you can see right here. There's a 51.36 and a 51.76.75. Okay, let's see, is there anything else you guys need to know here? We're looking at that wave 4 up. Once it's done, we'll get wave 5 down to below the wave 3 low. Okay, we'll get those exact targets again. There was that the 3.618 extension. All of it puts a nail in the coffin of the bull market count, because we haven't seen a 2.618 or 3.618 multiple for wave 3. I don't know when. But it's no coincidence that it happens in a down wave, because it goes down faster than it goes up. There's the steps we need to see for a change in trend. It's all but done. We need to see wave 4 up here, hold below the wave 1 low, as I said before, and then after 4 up we get 5 down, and that'll be final confirmation. Like I said, we're like I said, the nail is in the coffin for this thing. Okay, so that's what we're looking at there. I'll leave you guys with the chart of the hourly, which is as of yesterday, or we can look at today's chart here. There it is there. That's the hourly chart. That's what we're looking at, looking for this wave 4 up to hit one of these targets. Once the market moves below this wave 3 low of 4963.5, then we have confirmation that the upward retracement is complete and wave 5 down is in play. Okay, we'll see how long that takes to play out. Should be relatively soon. Till next time, take care everyone.